Hi, welcome to Alice Cuisines channel. So, from the title, I'm about to show you how to use cocoyam for making ede soup or whatever soup it is you want to make it with. So, cocoyam is called ede in the southern eastern part of Nigeria. So, this is what it looks like, and I've just washed it and you put it on fire. For you to know when it's done, you have to use the fork to pick them randomly, touch it to make sure it's soft, like how you would check yam if it were yam you were cooking, you get. So it's very easy to peel. Like once it's soft, as you just try to drag the skin, it just quickly comes off. But then you notice that some parts of it are strong, so the strong parts you want to remove, because those strong parts, if you put it, you're going to get granules in your soup and you're not going to like it. So just continue the process of dragging the skin and taking the soft part, dispose the strong part. So this particular cocoyam is the one we use for thickening soups like ora soup, onubu soup, that's bitter leaf soup. But there's another species which is the one that you can just boil like yam and eat it. So after you've peeled all of that, you want to use a mortar and pestle to pound it. If you have a blender, easier way, you make sure the water covers the cocoyam in the blender, like covers it very well so that it can blend for some time until, look at that, until it looks like this. So that is it. And what you are seeing now is the cocoyam being used for a soup. So I used it for oha soup and this is what the soup looked like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.